Hi guys, I'm Juan here, Up with the Sun, where I bring you lifestyle and fandom realness. As you can see from the title, I do have a very special unboxing for you today. But before we get to that, I do have some things I'd love to share with you first. The first being this Oogie Boogie pin. This is the Oogie Boogie with Boogie's Boys glow-in-the-dark pin. So cute. This is a limited edition of 1,000. And I saw it on the website on Funko.com. I was under the impression that this was going to be sold with a backpack. However, no, they're selling them separately, so I was so stoked. I was so gung-ho to get those Funko Pops and everything else that I didn't even go to check to see if this was available, because in my mind, I assumed that this was lumped in with the backpack, but it was not. Also, it was available at the con for NYCC. However, I did end up purchasing this separately and paying extra shipping because I'm an idiot, but I don't feel so bad because this is officially sold out. This is so cute. I do own this Funko Pop. You did see this in my Halloween decoration video. I did not think that they were going to do a pin. I don't have Lock, Shock, and Barrel as Funko Pops, which is a crime. So they do already have the color scheme for them. So if they do release them as blacklight editions, I definitely want them. So the dice does slide on this. That's its little gimmick. You know that these Loungefly pins end up with a moving element for the most part. And here's the back of the pin, and you can see right here the LE count of 1,000. And that completes all of my Halloween pins for the season. My goodness, if you look at this, it's quite a bit, isn't it? Yes, I did end up finishing this Hocus Pocus line. I did not have Danny, I did not have Winifred, and I did not have Sarah, but they look so great together. Please excuse the rattiness of the board. This is just temporary. However, as you can see all my goodies together, I am so happy. This was a great pin season for Halloween, and I had virtually nothing when it came to Halloween pins. And now look at this. This is so great. Next is this Funko Pop of Freddy Bones. This is a special edition pop that they released for the Heavy Metal Halloween 2023 line. And it's just this skeleton Freddy with, look at his little Funko shirt. And he has a trick-or-treat bag. And this was a little hard to stand because he has little skinny bone legs, so he's very top heavy and he doesn't come with a stand. So I need to go ahead and rectify that. Very nice detail. There's the back of him. Very cute. I don't have Freddy Funko Pops. This is my very first Freddy Funko Pop. And I just thought it was fitting for the season. This is him in the box. You can see that it does have the 2023 Fall Convention Limited Edition sticker. It is just a great pop to pick up. As of this recording, it is still available on the Funko shop. So if you're interested, go get him. And finally, before we get to the unboxing, we have another Funko Soda of Lord Zed. This is the one that I had originally ordered. The other one that I did get into was the one that my boss had gifted me. But this one does have the shared sticker. Here's a refresher of what the chase looks like. It's super cool. Don't feel the back because you're going to ruin the surprise. But oh my gosh, y'all. What the heck? We have the chaser! Oh my gosh. No freaking way. Y'all, what? What? This is insane. Let me just fix it a little bit. Okay. His body paint is similar. I don't think anything really is different. It looked more metallic in the glam, but the only difference is that his staff is now on fire or energized. Gosh. This is so cool. There's sparkly Lord Zed. It says you found the chase. This is one of 2,100. Oh my gosh. Wow. 2 cons in a row. First SDCC with the Jessica Rabbit, I'll link that above if you haven't seen it. And now the Lord Zed. I'm just newly getting into getting sodas, and I'm not really a big fan. I still am not really a big fan of the style of these. However, I love this, and I'm so happy to have it. Oh my gosh. Y'all, can you believe this? What's happening? Amazing. Okay, so getting into the Fun Box. Now, this is the first time I've ever purchased a Funko Fun Box. I've always loved watching the unboxings throughout the years. And speaking of SDCC, that Fun Box was wild. There's so many things going crazy with it. And I think because of that, these boxes did not sell out right away. I think as of this recording there, you can still pick one up. However, they are specific to a mascot. The mascot I got was Jack Carver. And look how cute he is. Ah. And he was very popular. He seemed to be everybody's first choice because he actually did sell out. So he's no longer available. Here's my mascot, Jack Carver. How cute. And then there is Phil D. Graves. And then on this side, we have Rusty Steele and Sid Vicious. Every Fun Box is themed. For SDCC, it was like a camp theme, like everybody going to camp. For the fall convention, we had the Heavy Metal Halloween 2023. That's why everyone's like a spooky rock star. So this is cool. I mean, I haven't gone hard on something like this before, but this is my year. This retails for $105, I believe. Someone needs to hide my wallet. Excuse me if I sound not well. My health has not been the best recently. It's, you know, that time of year where just grossness is all about. And I live in New York City, and this is like the mecca for grossness. Usually people don't like to peek. They like to open the box and try to be surprised what they're gonna get. I'll put here what is inside the box. Again, I've not seen any videos, so I really have no expectations. I really just know that Jack Carver's inside. But let's see. So the first pop I'm showing you is Jack Carver himself. This is so great. He is 6,000 pieces. He is the coolest. I can see why he was the first one to sell out. He has flames flaring out of his pumpkin head. He has a menacing look. He has a candle on top of him. And he has the stitching. And his shirt says trick or treat. And he has this nice vest on, which is super cool. And then he has like the inside scoopings of his of the pumpkin, which is interesting. And his drumsticks are on fire. So cool. And he has these nice boots and these ripped jeans. The back, it looks so nice. And he has the Funko logo crown there. Some more torn jean element. Super cool. Yes, of course, the Headless Horseman was the inspiration to go after this one, because honestly, I think the other ones were really cool as well. I think the one after this, I would really like to have gone Sid Vicious, because he's kind of like that creature from the Black Lagoon look. It's just so cool. I can't believe it. I've never done this before. And I've never had a 6,000 piece count pop before. And this is totally original. This is not something you can just pick up at any GameStop or Target. It's exclusive to the Funko shop. And just perfect for the season. Next pop I have here is this Freddy Zombie, which, okay. This even has a more limited piece count to 3,000. No idea what to expect in these boxes, what anybody wants, because there's so much fanfare over these. There's a lot of diehard Freddy collectors out there. And I know that a lot of people were doing training at the last con for their specific Freddys they wanted to get. But here he is. I love this black and white, so great. His crown is beautiful black, and look at that face. Oh my gosh. Yes. Funko has gotten a lot of practice in creating zombies because they had the zombie line from Marvel. But there's this little tattered outfit, and it's so perfect. You can join Michael Jackson in Thriller. This is so cute. I keep saying cute, and I know that they're supposed to be gruesome looking, but I mean, it's a pop. I like how his arms are extended out there, you know, like brains. Very, very fun pop. I will say this box did get a little dinged up. That's kind of like the downside to these boxes I've noticed is that they're not necessarily packaged that well. They're kind of loose, so they fly all over. And there's other heavy items there. There's 3 sodas in here. Those cans are heavy, so it's like knocking against this. Plus, we know how no company, whether it's UPS, whether it's FedEx, whether it's USPS, cares about getting your product to you in one piece. I think it's really now up to Funko to really start considering that. If they're going to be giving us these very low piece count special edition figures and we're paying a premium for them, protectors should be guaranteed with this, so the condition isn't going to go to crap. Because look at that, you can already look at this. Oh my gosh, you can see the bowing like crunched, right? Not the best. So, you know, it virtually makes this sticker like, well, whatever. And that's just unfortunate. For those out-of-box collectors, it means nothing to you. But again, it's just a thing for those people of us who do enjoy in-the-box collecting. When you see your box dinged up, it's kind of disheartening. I always think that Funko is going to go in the way of Beanie Babies. However, it's just nice to have your collectibles in pristine condition. Is that too much to ask? This one's really cool. This is Freddy as Casey Jones. Oh my gosh. I think this is one of the best ones that you could have gotten in the box. So I'm so happy. This is a 3,500 piece count. 3,500. There it says Freddy Funko as Casey Jones. And I love Ninja Turtles. I really do. I grew up on Ninja Turtles. You can't tell me anything different. I'm obsessed. This box is so crazy because look, it just has Freddy Funko on the outside and it just has the Ninja Turtles. But it is Casey Jones. Let's take him out. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look at the mug on this. This is great. So I love what they did here is that they took his freckles and they put him on Casey Jones' mask, his hockey mask. He's having the hockey stick there, and that is Casey Jones' outfit. So cool, and his crown is black. So cool. It's wrapped around. Oh, they've already done sodas with Freddy Funko as the Ninja Turtles, so this is more fitting. And if you have those sodas, you definitely want this part of your collection. Again, this box, look at this dent here, massive dings. I mean, earlier me would have gone crazy. Now it's c'est la vie. But all things considered, I think this was a great pull. These were awesome. I'm so happy to have them. Look, I look crazy. Okay, now I'm going to get into the sodas. Okay, one at a time. Because I'm really excited about one of them. Oh my gosh. Let's start with this one. This is the least one I care about. This is Proto. This is a sidekick dog for Freddy Funko. He's a little doggy. This is Proto. This is now Vampire Proto. Did I say Proto? You can see it has the sticker there. It says limited edition. This is supposed to be 3,000 pieces. But the full name of this is Airbrush Vampire Proto, 1 of 3,000. There he is. Okay, so he looks bigger on the film, but this is a very tiny figure comparatively. Here he is next to Lord Zed, so he does have a height difference. This is cool. I do love vampires, so you know, I love the coloring, the orange, the purple accents. I love the ombre effect of the green. Green is my favorite color. He has a little purple tail tip. It's so cute. So overall, not upset. You know, they really are pushing Proto. Like, calm down. Again, I told you, I'm very new to collecting sodas. It's actually not something I'm really looking to expand in my collection. Maybe a handful here and there, but I'm not going to have a full-on thing. It's too much with the Funko Pops already. And the lounge slide, you know how it is. And ears, oh my gosh. Okay, no. But I love these next two. This is the Freddy soda as Freddy Funko as Spirit. So he's a little ghost. How cute is he? I love the blacklight effect. So cool. This is also a 3,000 piece count. And there's the limited edition sticker. This is heavy. Let's see here. Oh my gosh. This is actually way cuter than I was expecting. Look at him. Oh my goodness. Look at his eyes. They still have his signature freckles and his bow tie and his little crown is this nice blue. He's so cute. He's heavy. It's like a lot of vinyl. So very, very cool. Very substantial. You really could hurt someone with this. So stinking cute. Yes, Freddy Funko as Spirit, 1 of 3,000. Look at him. So cute. Okay. This is the one, if I had to have one, this is the one I wanted the most. And it is Freddy Funko as Werewolf. Oh my gosh, so cool. Again, 3,000 piece. My gosh. Again, very heavy. My goodness. Okay. Look at his expression. Again, the signature freckles, his bow tie. His torn pants there. Okay. And there it is, Freddy Funko as Black and White Werewolf. 1 of 3,000 pieces. So these were the 3 that I got. I love the diversity of this box. I love the diversity of creatures in this box. We have not only a vampire, a ghost, a werewolf. We also have this pumpkin creature. And a zombie. I mean, it's just all encompassing. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much for joining me. That was it. That was such a fun box. Was it worth it? When you do the price point, usually these, the sodas are like 18 a piece. A limited edition usually is like around 15. So not really hitting like the price point. However, these are limited pieces. They're very exclusive. Again, the box I got, my mascot, completely sold out. So there's immense scarcity. You probably could find him on the secondary market because maybe he just doesn't appeal to the people who bought it. Scalpers are real. Would I get another fun box? I would say yes, because again, the smaller piece count, the creativity behind the pieces. This Freddy with the Casey Jones, I mean, come on. That's so cool. Like, look at it. So cool. So cool. And it's just nice that your collection is very diverse, and I don't know. I'm just obsessed. I am very much looking forward to the next fun box, so hopefully I'll be able to attain it. Again, that snafu at SDCC did put people off, so I can see why they waited. But if you got a box, I hope you enjoyed your box. I loved my box. I hope you all are having a wonderful, safe, spooky season. Just a reminder, my giveaway ends tomorrow, Saturday, midnight Eastern Standard Time. So if you haven't gotten your entry in, please go ahead and do so. I really am so excited to go ahead and announce the winner. That announcement will actually happen on Halloween Day, and it will be included in another video that I will be doing of another unboxing. So stay tuned. Remember, if you're not following me already on Instagram, that is one of the criteria for an extra entry. So go ahead and follow me there and go back to my last video so you can go ahead and see how to enter if you have not already. Comment down below which one of the items I pulled today was your favorite. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Just because we hit that 300 mark doesn't mean we're stopping there. I'd love to go ahead and continue to grow this channel, so please help me out. Share this video to anyone you think that would like it. And so with that, be safe. Tell someone you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!